Hi, my name's Kieraaa, and I just found out I will probably be getting my university degree from the comfort of my own home. So let me show you how I took this room from looking like this to this. I don't know if it actually looks good yet because I haven't done it, but hopefully it does, because I will most likely be getting my bachelor's degree from within this very room. I think it's maybe time that we took it from looking like a mess to something that's a bit more presentable and welcoming, if you will. So let's get into that. It is 5:29. I am in my comfy clothes and we are gonna start to basically clean out this entire room, get everything out of here, and then only bring back in what I need, you know? So we'll see what happens. So here's a fun little time lapse of me cleaning the absolute pigsty that has developed since I started online uni. I was expecting that this pandemic would make me a cleaner, more tidy person, but really I just wash my hands more often and spend more time at home making a mess. Today we are going to IKEA to buy a new desk to start redoing my study. Funny story about that. Went to IKEA in my very small Toyota and I thought, yeah, this will fit. I measured it twice, got there, paid for it, took it to my car, got the first one in, the big boy, the tabletop. I struggled for about 10 minutes trying to get it to fit. It didn't. I had to call my dad to come with his big car and he was very mad at me because I don't plan and I rush to do things. But I think it's time to get building. Let's get this show on the road while I still have daylight. Oh, this looks complicated. Oh my god, why is that so heavy? Today we're building the Beckett. Oh! I need to take that out first. That makes fucking sense, doesn't it? Let me know in the comments below if you think building IKEA furniture by yourself is peak adulting or peak loneliness. Because I'm torn. So that wasn't like extremely difficult. Step 1, complete. Oh, yeah, simple, to the point. Lovely. What? Let me tell you, time lapses never fail to make things look easier than they actually were. Anyway, this was really difficult, took me far too long, and you're actually supposed to build this desk with 2 people, which doesn't help my lonely versus adult debate, but if anything, I built the desk by myself, and that's all that matters. I did it. I'd say now it's time to start putting my shit back together. So let's do that. 4 o'clock now and I have about an hour of sunlight left, so let's do as much as we can. Turn on the study. This is difficult because I have a lot of shit. I need to figure out where I'm going to put in this space all the stuff I use on a regular basis, like my photography gear, my sewing stuff, my uni shit, my art supplies, and then just like my general pop culture things that make me happy. I bought these plastic tubs on a whim. I walked past them, they were only $10 each, and I thought I can put my shit in there and put it under the couch. I don't know if they fit, so let's find out. Oh my god, they're perfect. I also have these shelves to fill, which I'm thinking might be for more important things like my camera gear and my art supplies, but we'll see. Now, I'm no Marie Kondo, there's no method to my madness other than the fact that I keep the things I want access to on a regular basis close by and everything else is packed away neatly. After everything's organised, then we move on to styling, which is kind of interesting for me. I'm very open about the fact that I hate university and I get stressed so incredibly easily. I'm doing a 3-year degree in 4 years, like a pro. And that's why I use little knickknacks to style my space, because they remind me of things I enjoy and help me kind of mellow out in high stress times like exam season. The next thing I did was take a little trip to Spotlight for something you'll hear about later. But like always, I got distracted by the discount fabric section. And I ended up buying 4 meters worth of fabric. And I had maybe a good idea, maybe an awful idea, that I should reupholster the couch because it's not cute. Hello friends, it's 7:17. On my way home from work I bought more fabric to reupholster my couch with. So we're gonna do a quick little experimente. I don't know why I tried to turn that into fake Spanish, but we'll see how this looks. I think that looks a little bit too brown, eh? But I think this isn't helping. I kind of don't like the way that looks. It's a bit too dark. What to do about that? Well, despite my uncertainty, I ended up just doing it anyway. All I did was pin it together along a pinstripe, put it through my sewing machine, and then attach it to my couch using binder clips, because if there's anything I do well, it's not committing to things. Well, fully committing at least. So I finished sewing it, and I've popped it down on the sofa bed, and I'm a bit, I don't know, I'm a bit iffy about it. I think it's really dark. I think because the walls are so bare, it just looks like a lot, but as I get my final touches done, I'll decide on whether or not I want to actually have it look like this. So before I got distracted by this strange couch side quest, I actually went to Spotlight with the intention of getting some stuff for the walls. Specifically, I wanted some poster frames and mirrors. Couldn't find any frames big enough, but that's fine. I did, however, manage to find a couple mirrors that were basically perfect. Anyways, a couple days later, I went to Kmart to help me finish up the walls by buying some poster frames. I think it's time to get this shit rolling. So I started out by cleaning the walls because over the years I have absolutely stuck everything you possibly could to these walls and they aren't looking too great. So I did the best I could with what supplies I had. Some of the stuff wouldn't budge, but it's an improvement and that's all that matters. So now it's time to put shit on the walls. What am I putting on the walls? I do not know. So let's get some posters out. As you can see here, I have a lot of posters. At my old job, I used to actually get a lot of promotional material for free for music and movie releases, so that's why I have so many. I've also bought a fair few here and there from Redbubble over the years. In my unrolling, I found this absolute historic gem of a poster. This is a different kind of poster, one that I made and bought to a One Direction concert. It says, "Niall, look at me like you look at beer." You make me wanna... That's funny. I knew from the get-go I was going to use my Dunkirk poster, 1 because it's my second favourite Christopher Nolan film, and 2, the blue on the poster matches my gaming chair, which kind of sticks out like a sore thumb but offers great lumbar support so it's not going anywhere. I just had to find something that complemented that and the space, which was a decision I found very hard to make. Currently, I don't know what to do. Is it the colour of the couch that's throwing things off? I just don't know. I think I'm just gonna leave those where they are and put up the rest of the stuff I want to put in the room and then decide. Because I'm having some real fucking decision fatigue. I'm only... So my camera died and I've just been sitting here doing some thinking, and maybe the colour of the couch ain't it. Maybe that's not what's happening here. So I'm gonna see how the posters would look without the tan. Not gonna lie, this was kinda super infuriating. Even in editing this like 2 months later, I'm still kind of mad about it. After I spent all that time and money on making that thing brown, it looked better with a free sheet, a bed sheet I already owned. But you know what? It's fine. It's totally fine. Now I have more fabric to do something else with. Yay! I don't know. Let's just get back to putting stuff on the walls, hey? So I decided to leave the posters as they were in the frames and just put them up on the walls. I can take them down anytime and change it out if I don't like it later on. I just used command strips, the Velcro type, to put the posters up, and a level to make sure it was all straight, which it was. It's perfectly level. Oh my god, you're looking straight at my butt. But like genuinely perfectly level. I'm amazing. I impressed myself. I did it. We are this close to being done. It's just time to clean everything up and add our final touches. Yeah, so let's do that. I'm currently sweating, but it's done.
Well, all I'm saying is I just want to look back and say that I did it the best I could while I was stuck in this place.
I mean, look at it at golden hour. It looks great. Like, I am so genuinely proud of myself. Like, I kind of snapped on this one. I am so happy to be in this space, and when you're happy to be somewhere, I think you've done a good job in decorating it. I mean, but that's just my personal opinion. Yes, this is editing Kieraaa here, 2 months later with different hair. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything that you really liked, maybe something that you didn't like and think I should change. Like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Kieraaa if you'd like to see more of me more often. I will also be linking as much as I can in the description down below. If there's anything you guys are interested, check down there. You may be able to buy it for yourself. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!